So the consumption space has been in focus on the back of Q3 updates that we've been receiving for many days. And today Citi has come out with a note on their take on what the updates have been so far and what the overall expectation is for the sector in Q3. So they are expecting a sequential improvement in growth trajectory of Indian consumer staple companies, and this is attributable to overall reduced pricing across multiple product categories because of the GST cuts that they had seen, increase in grammage and net revenue. Low unit packs in select categories are expected to do well, and of course the partial recovery post inventory destocking that was seen in the September to October period as well. So these are going to be some important factors to watch out for, and they're also seeing that they're expecting a reversal in the overall profitability trends because of all of these factors that are supportive, and they're estimating an EBITDA margin for the stocks in their coverage to remain constant on a year-on-year basis versus the declines that we've seen across the board for most of the staple stocks in the last 4 to 5 quarters. So that is another positive, that at least the margins are expected to be constant on a year-on-year basis. On the cost front, they believe that commodity costs have eased and the input costs are now much lower across various commodities, and that could be another positive trigger for a lot of these staple companies, and they will continue to monitor whether the uptick in demand sustains over the medium term that we have seen temporarily because of the GST cuts. They remain selective and believe that companies with self-help initiatives remain better placed on a relative basis. So sectorally, they prefer the food and beverage space right now over the home and personal care space. Their top picks are Britannia, wherein they have a positive catalyst watch as well, Godrej Consumer and Varun Beverages. And they also say that Marico and Tata Consumer, they're expecting strong growth from both of these companies as well. So that's Citi's take on India's consumer staples, and they believe that Q3 could be a decent quarter for a lot of the staple companies.